Happy birthday! Happy birthday! So nung mag-birthday kayo, kaya munta kayo ni Cactus Jack, you get this free...
Nung birthday yung Cactus Jack, ate ko libreng makan yan. Drink ya.
Ayan o. Happy birthday, Celine!
Kaganak ang tao.
Idalada ka.
Ang kayo bang say?
Puno. Ako lang ni Cactus Jack.
Wow, chulari kayo din kayo.
Cactus Jack.
Cactus Jack. Balo kayo ni. Kanyang sabers.
Receivers.
Yellow ka. Wow, Angeles kayo ni Malibag. So papunta kayo po ngayon ni Cactus Jack. Patunan Milari Kevin.
Ang camera.
Si Balita mi, mag-good time lang rin. So syempre may paboran na hindi mo rin mag-good time. Pero yung Celine, syempre good time, alayo dapat. Kaya nalele. Atyo na kay Sabers, kakundas mi panjip. So nung atyo ka balibago, isa ka mag-good time kay Nia.
Mapalay na ba? Si Alden. Mamulay, Bruno.
Kasing kapali kay Boy eh. Sipa mo atin palang Cactus Jack yan eh. Tarawin na.
Okay, welcome to Cactus Jack, ladies and gentlemen. Cheers!
Nanalo pa.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows, only time. And who can say if your love grows as your heart shows, only time.
Welcome to this brand new episode of Wida Lokal. Nice.
And showed her how to kick that gong around. Hotty, 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 hotty. Whoa, whoa. Hotty, hotty, hotty.
This is Cactus Jack.
This is Cactus Jack's French fries.
Monster board. So itang ikichu, api yan yung monster board that this is one of their main offerings. You can build your own. Actually, apin ditang concept na build your own monster board. And look at it. It's just monstrous.
So tinyang buffalo wings at tinyang baby back.
Tinape.
Tinape. Wala yung pandesal ni. Okay. At tinyang
Angus beef burger.
Angus beef burger.
Pulled pork.
Pulled pork. Ulitan ko lang muna.
Crispy pato.
Crispy pata. Classic.
Very local.
Very
Just
classic.
like us.
Crispy pata.
Kita palang nahin
Baby back.
back ribs. It's imported from Spain. It's a full slab.
Wow.
Lalasa yung Espanyol.
Rapido.
Feliz cumpleaños.
Doran eh. Swiper na swiping. So gawin may inigdakal na nini. Eh kung balo naman namin gisa na nini.
Wow.
Ikay pa mo nga patpis sa biyaminan din. No ko rin kayo magumpisa. Alayang mapa ini para tukyan mo so.
We need this, no?
Kailangan pwede kang mag-jump in anytime.
Celine, condolence.
Celine, condolence.
Happy work. Happy work day.
Happy work day. Work hard.
Don't make
We
day of
play
fun.
hard.
All monster boards come with a free pitcher of iced tea.
Take note, training sauce the ila mismo yung gagawa. At
Ay,
mami
mo.
salila pa, aren.
Nung may ang Cactus Jack and then Aburyo rin sauce,
Just sauce.
they make their own sauce.
Raw sauce.
Ining meto ngayon niya, pining honey mustard. Ini Pinoy style. Sigurado ko medyo mayumoy ini. Kay their signature barbecue sauce. Ini Aliyah Karela niya. Ini duty free. Duty free.
Boom.
To really appreciate a burger, kailangan na medyo din ng masyadong sauce. So, umisan tayo nga lang sauce.
No ketchup.
Manta pala ito.
Oh.
Jack's Queso Dip.
Excuse me.
Tansya ko sila ba niya nandun gusto yan?
I'm gonna try it.
Titil niya again.
Dagdag ka mo niyan.
Pali. Ano nga sabi mo?
Cheesy yan.
Cheesy.
Siyempre.
I like that adjective. Tama na. Gawan.
But,
Yung lasa na liwait ang cheese sa
Ano yun?
tsuking utak mo eh.
Pwede nandun kayo pa, titiranin nandun niya pa mananakbaging crispy patang ini eh.
Kapampangan
Filming
yung
Islam.
tunay.
Ngapin datang ugat ko reto. May nga barala. Nga barala kang taba.
Nano nga rekomenda yung sauce kanina?
Just
Barbecue
Signature, okay. Yung minuna kong apansinan, the meat lifts off the bone easily. So, let's try it out. Yo soy el bebedor.
Muy bien, muy bien.
Muy bien.
Correction, this is not buffalo wings, this is sriracha wings. Maras-maras yan.
Okay. This monstrous table is probably good for around 6 to 8 people. Yeah? So, nung 8
Kami
people,
sabi
yeah,
sobra
350 pesos per head. So, 8 people, 350 pesos per head. Not bad, not bad. Kaya biyamiya po nga ni Miss Isabel Maniti. She is the marketing person, the marketing manager. Ang bisa akong palibre kaya.
Ma'am, ganito po.
Ali, kaya kayo palibre.
Nano yung concept na ng Cactus Jack? Is it a restaurant? Is it a bar?
Restaurant, kay ba't ating kaming bar.
Okay.
Ating kaming buffet every Sundays, roast beef buffet. And ating kaming buy one, take one beers every day.
Every day, buy one, take one.
What time?
Every day, 2 to 7.
2 to 7 p.m.
Every Wednesday, open mic. So, nung ating kayong talent magkanta, magkakay Kenny.
Every Wednesday, open mic.
Talented Kapampangan.
Punta kay Kenny, Cactus Jack Smokehouse, at saka kami Keng, Savers Mall, Balibago, 12 noon to 12 midnight, every day.
At saka kami ngayon kayong with the local science portion this is Nica. Happening again thesis.
Ayan. Sa akin to naman guys, pag sinerve na kaya kayo ni, mapalya pa yung cookies freshly baked niya pa. So nung haluan mo yung ice cream, itang temperature na ning pamangan, maging mong room temperature kasi labanan na ning ice cream, itang pali na nitang cookies. Try that. Matalo naman na.
Nice.
Kakunya mo. Ay,
Kanya mo niya?
Legit! Legit. Ay, makaskilat na rin natin din with the local ang food din.
Orderan nyo lang matik na.
The With the Local seal of approval, Jack's Queso Dip, 295 pesos. Ining karelang skillet cookie a la mode, 189 pesos. Check that.
Single barrel.
Select smoke. Smells like apples.
Right.
Cactus Jack Smokehouse. Dakala salamat for having us here. Of course, nung buriyo kayo pang mag-feature miyaliwalawang restaurants kayo nga nila, just let us know in the comments down below. Where can they find us, Migs?
Follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/WeTheLocal and subscribe on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/WeTheLocal.
And also follow us on our Instagram and Twitter account at WeTheLocal.
And if you want to buy us coffee, isa kaming magkape, you can buy us.
You can buy us or donate us some coffee at coffee.com, co-fi.com/WeTheLocal. Don't forget to buy our shirts. Murin keng Indu shirts, second floor Bart Mall. Smoky cocktail, very friendly keng palette. Eman
Only at
manalasit ang-
Cactus Jack. Only
Eman
at
manalasit ang alcohol. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Cheers to the next episode.
Oh my gosh, pa naman.
Ay, si Rocky makakaya si yun.
Umapit din yung surogi pandesal. Ating kasing pandesal ka ni Crush Tia.
Kaya yan.
Keng Kilo.
Bernard. Ian Bernard. Rossi. Jimmy San.